So guys, this is Titty. I know she's cute, but my cat Titty and I share my home office. She's been chewing my computer wires and causing a lot of damage. Alright, can I go to Home Depot? Hi, Tits. Alright, so I bought some protective stuff for the wires because of her. So, a couple of days ago I spent a lot of money fixing my computer. Fixing it. Because Titty chewed through every exposed wire, like from hard drive wires, internet adapter, speaker wires, electrical wires, and everything literally was shorting. This is my computer electrical wire, you see? It has all these teeth marks. I just replaced it. This was connected to the computer, it's for the internet adapter. She chewed through it so bad that this was shorting. Every time I connected to the computer, it was cutting off all the display. And I had an HDMI wire that I connected to the TV on my computer, and she chewed that through, and that was shorting. Like she's not chewing it apart, but she's chewing enough to make everything short. And I just found out. I'm gonna have to protect these wires here, because I can't spend any more $400 just to protect wires from her. For now, I'm only concerned with the hard drives. I've secured the wiring, and then I gotta just push it away. So here it is. I managed to protect every wire behind my computer. And that's it for today. I will see you on the next video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified next time I upload. Thanks for watching. Ciao.